Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to teach you how to make banana boats. Start with a nice fresh banana, and we're going to improvise. You could either use chocolate chips and peanut butter, but we're actually going to take Reese's, and we're going to crumble them up, put them inside, and marshmallows. For banana boats, it's actually better if you have the miniature marshmallows, but we'll just take these and shred them apart. So, all right, ready? Yep. This is going to be exciting. Oh yeah,
you have the knives, right?
And then we have yes, and then we have
the knife there, the rim knife.
got this one.
Okay.
I'm going to use my handy dandy hunting knife.
Yes.
I think I've cleaned all the blood off it since last time I used it. Cut, slice open the skin, and then peel it open. Make a nice gap there. Take a table. We're going to be wrapping it up in foil afterwards anyway. And take this, cut that open. I'm going to cut this open while we're at it. We're going to have to do that later.
Just like that.
Just like this.
Improvise.
A little dash of Reese's peanut butter cup in there.
So instead of the natural,
You can
actual peanut
You
butter,
can take peanut butter and chocolate.
I think
chips,
that one is better.
or you can do it this way.
Yeah.
That's kind of nice. You can put a little bit more, as much or as little as you want to. Take your marshmallows.
Oh.
For
Stuff
sure,
those in
Stephanie will
there.
love that. She loves Reese's.
There you
And
go.
if you have the miniature ones, that'll probably work a little bit better. But because we're making s'mores later, we got the mega size, so these will do double purpose.
Okay.
And stuff those in there. And so those will get nice and fluffy. And you get the chocolatey, peanutty. You know what? I'm going to put some more of this because I like my peanut butter and I like my chocolate. So I'm going to put more of this magical goodness in there. Crumple that up. Now
Okay.
here's the tricky part. You gotta try to get it all stuffed down on the sides.
Oh. Oh, there you go. Because when you just put in the,
Yep, and we're gonna wrap it up in the foil.
and then put in the pot on
And we're gonna toast it in the fire for a little bit.
yeah.
And
Wow.
Marshmallow will melt.
Yeah, everything.
that.
There you go.
now you can follow me over to the fire.
Oh boy.
Come on, my little spotlight.
Oh boy.
Follow the magical banana boat here to the fire. And you don't want to put it directly in the fire, but like on the edge.
Oh, just at the edge.
Just at the edge. We're going to let that cook for maybe a minute or two. And since I got my gloves, since I got my handy dandy work gloves, I should be able to reach in there, turn it without burning my fingers. Or you
Okay.
can use tongs.
Yeah, I have the
We
tongs,
got
honey.
tongs too.
But better you wear the gloves and then use the tongs, okay?
But because this is a manly show, I'm going to use my hands. And hopefully I won't burn myself too bad. So I might turn it back and forth a couple times just to get it nice and evenly heated up. And then once we're all done with that, we're going to take it back and scoop it out and eat it out with a spoon. That'll be really delicious.
Not yet.
It could go a few minutes longer.
Yeah, just put it in here on the other side. Because it's better. There you go.
Put it right
That
there.
way. We have to prepare more because I like one too.
Yep.
Okay. Pause.
Well, once you've been taught how to do this, then you can make your own. Right? I don't have to make all of them forever.
I'm your Pocahontas, okay? You're supposed to do it for me. Hello.
You
Okay.
can have this one and tell me how bad it is.
I make my own, okay? Okay. I think it's ready.
Okay, look at that. It's on fire. If it catches
Okay.
on fire, that's probably a good sign that it might be ready.
Okay, make sure you take away the take off the charcoal inside. Okay.
Because we flipped the charcoal in there.
Yeah, we have
Yeah,
charcoal
well, if
in
you bite
there.
into it, you'll know.
Okay,
Straight up.
let's go.
All right, let's go back to the
Oh
campsite,
my
to the
goodness.
picnic table.
The other plate.
Follow the magic. Magical animal.
And
And,
we'll
and since we've
check
been back
for-
here, we've had little kids take over our our picnic table.
Because we're hungry.
Hungry.
You're hungry? Okay.
We have spoons. That's right. But
Oh,
look at
look
that.
at this.
It's melted.
Oh, Scarlett, you wanna try? First bite?
No,
Why no?
That'd be good.
last time.
Look at that. Now we need a spoon and a. Okay. So we have a brave volunteer over here. Look at. See the chocolate's melted. It's in there. I'm gonna get a piece from the middle.
There you go.
And that has some.
Mmm.
There we go.
Complete with
Oh. Got tripping over everything here. Hope it's not too hot.
It's hot? It's hot?
No, just right. This is delicious.
Here, let's get her face on that.
Good.
So, is it good?
It's good.
Is
It's
it-
all over my face now. That's how good it is.
How about you, Tita Sonia? You wanna
Okay,
try?
who wants to try it?
Try.
It's not that
Step
hot.
right up.
It's not
It's just the right temperature.
See? I'm just gonna make small.
That's our next brave volunteer. Going to try another bite. And all the flies and moths are being attracted by her.
in line.
Oops.
So good.
You like it?
Yeah.
Masarap?
Masarap. Yeah. It's so good. I like the combination of the banana and the
Chocolate and the peanut
chocolate
butter.
and the peanut butter. Yeah.
Yep, it's sort of like a banana split, except there's no ice cream. It's a hot banana split.
Another bite.
Taking another one.
It's good. Yeah, it's good. It's so good. Want to try more?
Okay. I think we have.
It's so good.
I think we have a winner.
It is. It's good.
Peanut butter cups. They fall.
Hey, they have flies. What is that?
The moth went in there. Here's not gonna hurt you.
It's really good.
It's
Yeah.
good, right? Told you.
I make my own.
That's why he was
That's mine
teaching
that you
us.
had there. My little Pocahontas.
It's really good.
Oh, that's really good.
That's the reason why he was teaching us.
Take off this. The most.
So try another one.
It's so good.
That is good, isn't it?
Oh, one
Surprisingly good.
It's so good.
Marshmallow in there. Yep. It's really good.
It's still good, even after the third bite.
Bite and bite until we finish this thing.
Yeah, I got more in there. Eat it up. Good thing we got a bright flashlight to help with our videography.
It's really good.
Yes.
It's really good.
All right. Well, that's it, folks. That's how you make a banana boat that everybody seems to enjoy.
Perfect.
Perfect. Even this one over here, who begrudgingly says she likes it.
Yeah.
I want this one here that doesn't like anything I make.